Hi everyone! Today I'm making a juicy air fryer butterfly chicken with roasted vegetables. Super easy, flavorful, and perfect for any day. Let's get started. In a bowl, combine lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper, minced ginger, minced garlic, tomato paste, and chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Pat the chicken dry using a kitchen tissue. Butterfly, spatchcock, the chicken, then rub and massage the marinade all over. Set aside to marinate. Cut potatoes, carrots, onion, and tomatoes into large chunks. If you want the full recipe, it's all in the description box below. In a bowl, combine all vegetables. Add lemon slices, garlic, rosemary, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Place the mixed vegetables at the bottom, without tomatoes first. Lay the marinated chicken on top. Cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the tomatoes, flip the chicken. Cook for another 10 minutes. Optional step. Add fresh lemon slices and whole garlic, cut in half, for more aroma and flavor. Cook for an additional 5 minutes until golden and juicy. Slice the juicy chicken into pieces. Plate it with those beautifully roasted veggies and serve while it's still warm. So good. And that's our juicy air fryer butterfly chicken. Crispy outside, tender inside. Try it at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out.